Hello students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Shlok Kulkarni and today we are going to continue with a new quiz of 8 questions. The topics will be MET, S, NAV and Tech. Let's start with the question number 1. Hello students, I am Shlok Kulkarni. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will continue with a new quiz of 8 questions. MET, REX, NAV, Tech. Let's do a question number 1. What is the SI unit that results from multiplying kilogram and meter per second square? So kilogram and meter per second square. So kilogram is mass, meter per second square is acceleration. So mass into acceleration equals to force. And the SI unit of force is Newton. So correct option will be Bravo, Newton. Let's go to question number 2. The mean chord is equal to what? The mean chord is equal to what? So mean chord equals to this part of aerodynamics. Mean chord equals to wing area divided by wing span. So correct option will be Charlie. Mean chord equals to wing area divided by wing span. Question number 3. Wing area is 200 feet square. Wing span is 50 feet. What is mean chord? So just now we have done mean chord equals to wing area divided by wing span. So wing area equals to how much? 200. Wing span equals to 50. So mean chord is 4 feet. So correct option is option C, 4 feet. Question number 4. The part of an aerodrome used for embarking and disembarking passengers, loading and unloading cargo and mail, as well as servicing of aircraft is what? So that is called apron. That will be called apron. Apron is where all these activities take place. Next point. So this is your apron. So here aircraft is parked. You can see all the loading, unloading is happening here. These are the ways through which passengers, crew will embark and disembark aircraft. Over here you can see all engineers and their objects and their materials over here which are helpful in servicing the aircraft. So this part of the aerodrome is called apron where all these activities happen. Ramp is also where aircraft is parked, but at ramp only aircraft is parked. At the ramp aircraft is parked and it is left there. Over there you will not find embarking, disembarking of passengers or loading, unloading of passengers. In case in some airports where this highway is not available to transport passengers for embarking and disembarking, an aeroplane is situated far away at some ramp and it is not situated at an apron. So there are buses at domestic airports that take passengers from the terminal to that ramp where aircraft is located. Okay, so ramp is where aircraft is parked overnight and all that. Apron is where aircraft is parked for short term. Passengers are new passengers board, old passengers get down, new cargo is loaded, old cargo is unloaded. So all that activities happen at apron. Question 5. Which of the following heat transfers is an example of a convection? Now convection we have done in previous quiz also in detail. It is that mode of transfer of heat in which one layer of air goes up and another layer of air comes down due to change in density. Okay, so you can see over here, this is a small scale example of convection. The water layer which is close to the heat gets heated, its volume increases, density decreases. As a result, it rises up to the surface. On the other hand, there is another water layer which is on the top of the surface, cooler than the warmer layer below. It comes down to replace that because of its high density. As a result, one cycle is established, okay, that goes on and on, okay, hot water replaced by cold water, so on and so forth. Now, same thing happens in the atmosphere. When sun shines on the land gets heated up, the air layer or the air close to the ground or in contact with the ground gets heated. Okay, when it gets heated due to conduction, the warm air layer rises up in the atmosphere and it is replaced by cooler air or colder air surrounding that surface. Okay, so in this way a cycle is established. Okay, convection cycle or convective cycle in which there is updraft and downdraft simultaneously, and so on and so forth. Heat is distributed in the atmosphere. So heating food in oven is radiation. Boiling water in a pot is convection. That's right. Feeling sunshine is again a process of radiation. Heating a brass rod is conduction. When you heat a rod, one end of the rod will get heated up. Sooner, the other end of the rod will also get heated up by conduction. Okay, so three modes of transfer of heat: radiation, convection and conduction. Question number 6. The minimum temperature in ISA atmosphere is, according to ISA, at mean sea level, there is 15 degrees Celsius. Temperature lapse rate is 2 degrees Celsius per 1000 feet. So on and so forth, temperature will keep on decreasing with increase in altitude up to 36,090 feet. At there, the temperature according to ISA is minus 56.5 degrees Celsius. Above 36,000 feet up to somewhat 65,000 feet, this temperature of minus 56.5 degrees Celsius stays constant, isothermal. Okay, so the minimum temperature in ISA achieved is minus 56.5 degree Celsius. You can convert that into Fahrenheit, Kelvin, so okay.